Unlocking the Mysteries of Bhimkund, A Journey Through Time.
Dive into the mesmerizing depths of Bhimkund, a sacred and enigmatic water body shrouded in history and mystery. Guided by the wisdom of our ancient storyteller, discover the tales of Mahabharata's Pandavas, unexplained phenomena, and the divine energy surrounding this legendary site. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more immersive journeys into history and legend. Have a mystery you want us to explore? Let us know in the comments. Hello and welcome, my friends. Gather close, for today, I will take you on a journey, not just through the forested paths of Madhya Pradesh but into the heart of an ancient mystery. Behold, Bhimkund, a sacred pool that holds tales as deep as its unfathomable waters. This is no ordinary pool. Legend has it that during the Mahabharata's great exile, the mighty Pandavas wandered these lands. On a sweltering day, their thirst grew unbearable. It was then that Bhima, the strongest of the Pandavas, struck the ground with his make, and lo! From the earth sprang this pristine water body, quenching their thirst and leaving behind a miracle for generations to marvel at. But the story doesn't end there, my friends. Scientists and explorers alike have tried to measure its depth, yet no one has succeeded. Instruments falter, calculations fail. It's as if the Kund guards its secrets fiercely. They say its waters remain at a constant temperature, unshaken by the seasons. What power sustains this? Divine intervention, or something science has yet to uncover? For centuries, pilgrims have journeyed here, seeking blessings and answers. Some say that simply gazing into its depths can reveal truths about oneself. Others whisper of visions seen in the ripples, shadows of the past, or glimpses of the divine. What do you think, my curious friend? Is this a tale of gods and heroes, a natural marvel, or both? Whatever the answer, Bhimkund invites us to pause and reflect on the mysteries of life. Sometimes, it's not about solving the puzzle but embracing the wonder it brings. So, my fellow seekers, as you ponder the mysteries of Bhimkund, remember this: the world is vast and filled with stories waiting to be uncovered. Until next time, may your journey be as profound as the depths of this sacred pool. If this story stirred your soul, like this video and share it with your friends. And if you wish to unravel more mysteries with me, don't forget to subscribe. Your next adventure awaits.